Man, so I finished that Continental wheel, the fifth wheel for my partner. So he can put it back on his Cadillac. I'm just gonna clean it up a little bit tomorrow. And yeah, man, he finna go ahead and get this wrapped in leather. It was all cracked up right there because we had scraped it a little bit. And then I figured out how to hook up that front sway bar. Put everything back together, idler arm, torque arm, all that stuff down there with it, yada, 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 tie rod ends, hooked to the spindle, end links. I got the end links finally straight. And yeah, now all I gotta do now is just finish putting my brakes on. And I have somebody come look over everything and probably torque everything down and make some minor adjustments and go from there. So, whew, it was a lot of work, especially trying to get these holes right here to put this back on. Yeah, I think that's the idler arm. Oh man, what y'all think, man? Got them on there. That's what I'm doing right there. That pink look good. I knew it was gonna come together, that black, pink, and silver. If my springs would have been just a little bit lighter, it would have popped a lot harder. I like that contrast, but this will do right here, man. That'll work. What y'all think? All right, so I was supposed to take this to my partner house that repairs fiberglass, but that's really a major concern for me right here. That lip, that hole right there. I mean, it's cracked all up everywhere. Man, this would be a hell of a repair if I did repair it. I'm trying to decide if I'm gonna take the risk. I mean, you can see light all the way through on this thing, man. You can see this. Man, I would have to replace and repair both sides. I don't know if this is worth it. Plus, try to have somebody replace this chunk that's missing. I think like getting it up to probably here would be the easiest part, but going across this top. So what I think I'm gonna do is I'm probably gonna pack up everything, take it to my friend, see if he hit it with the fiberglass and the resin, and see what he could do from there. But I'm over here today to mess with the brakes. I'm gonna try to go ahead and install those brake calipers on here. Everything is on there. I just need to get these bolts out the truck. I'm gonna go ahead and put these on there. I'm gonna go ahead and lay these out both sides. My partner was telling me how they were supposed to look. Okay, so this say right here. So I'm gonna put this over here on this side, and we're gonna do the left one. And I'm missing some bolts, man. I was pretty certain I had all the bolts when I started this project, but as time went on, I done lost some. and I'm big on original parts. I just don't. I think that nothing looks better than OEM unless you're doing like carbon fiber or cowl hoods. And on this car, I think the only thing that I would want to add, as far as cosmetically, will probably be like the cowl hood. That's about it. But for the most part, everything else gonna be factory looking. That's why I just like that. But we are doing custom parts, but all OEM stuff, just customizing it. Um, I spoke to my friend today. He's like, "Bro, I just don't know about those shims." He was like, "Having all those shims on those control arms just don't look about right. Some don't look right on them." So I'm gonna have him come look over everything when he gets a chance, Mr. Marvin. If everything goes good, he'll come through and check it out. But who knows? You know what I mean? I probably made a whole bunch of mistakes, and I told him, I said, "Man, this whole stuff could be off." But I went to Ace Hardware and I grabbed some screws, and yeah, I grabbed some screws, I grabbed some bolts. Um, and here they are, the original bolts versus the ones I got at Ace Hardware. I need to vacuum out the truck. I'm probably gonna hit that real quick. Probably grab some hoses. So as y'all can see right here, these are the factory ones off the Blazer, and I wanted something with a nice head on it. These bolts, man, they cost me some good money, but they are hardened. They look a little bit more rounder on the top part, on the dome, but it has the right pitch. It looks more round, like you can see, it's like it's curving down on them. I'm gonna put them on there. I just feel like it ain't gonna be no way around it. I'm just gonna have to go ahead and go with the Ace Hardware or go to the scrapyard and try to pull some more. One way or another, I'm gonna have to come up with a solution. I believe these are probably some 15s. Let's see. A 15 ain't gonna fit. What's this? 18? It's a 19. Let's see if that 19 to fit. All right. So like I got some action. It's a 19. So I'm gonna throw it on this 3/8 drive, and I'm gonna go ahead. I'm gonna throw y'all on time lapse, and see that's how you lose bolts right there, playing around, just like that already. Ain't no telling where I lost that daggone bolt at, man. For real. I keep some stuff in here that I should probably be throwing out. Always got something in here. I think these go in the truck, but ain't no telling. All right, man. Let's see what we can do. All right, so I got it on there. It seems like everything is working like how it's supposed to. Everything's spinning. We won't know if the brakes work without the brake lines being attached. That's something that I'll probably do sometime this weekend. It's still the first of the month. Today, I believe, is the 1st of August. But I put that bolt on there from Ace. I didn't like doing it, but it is what it is. I was just sitting back looking at it and everything, and I'm like, that'll work. You know what I mean? That'll work. That's cool. But I've been thinking, I didn't put this out on because I didn't have enough bolts. I'm gonna have to go back to Ace Hardware. I just want to make sure those bolts work and that they'll be cool. I'll go ahead and throw this one on, and I have the brake line. What did I do with the brake lines? I took them off, but I have one brake line already. And I don't know what I done with it. Let me see. Yes, I got it over there. Yep. So I got the brake line over there, but was one good brake line ain't gonna do anything. I might as well just go ahead and buy brand new ones, toss those. But I was thinking about possibly. I think about this because this is the problem. Yeah, I'm like, I don't know how I'm gonna fix it for real, for real. I don't know if I need to grind this off. As y'all can see, it's pretty bad. And I was thinking about just grinding it right now. But it look like I'm probably gonna have to go with that vintage air setup for real. Just looking at it. Because I don't want something that's gonna keep on cracking and breaking. But this would be an opportunity for me to get my fiberglass skills up, which it seems like something I've been kind of working on anyway. But it's like to do a double side repair on this. Man, how much time I was thinking about just now, just sitting down and just grinding this down, putting fiberglass resin in it. Well, I don't feel like doing all that, man. I really don't. I feel like I shouldn't have to do all that work to make this AC work. So, yep. It just don't make sense to put all that labor into something when I'm gonna have to keep on adding more and more labor to it. I'm just ready to see the fenders on this thing. Make sure that all the suspension is right, and go ahead and go forward with the motor. So I will be taking everything to the machine shop next week to get it balanced, the machine for the motor, so we can go ahead and move forward with the motor assembly. And I'm trying to decide what's next for this car. I need to go ahead and find the shims that I took off on the fenders. And I may buy like a little Restomod kit um, where I can knock the rust off of them. Not a Restomod kit. It's like this little machine that they sell at Harbor Freight where you can put like vapor rust or stuff in it and it'll eat up all that rust on it. I just don't want all that rust. So, let me see. We'll find those fender shims real quick. I don't even know what the hell all that is right there. What the hell's all this? I don't even know what this stuff is. I gotta think about it. Oh, that's the windshield wiper stuff and the firewall stuff. All right. All right. So this is like, yep, this is it right here. This defender. This defender bag right here. These are the shims that it came with. That's them right there. They are rusty. That was like their steel though. Probably not stainless, but it is some kind of steel. These are all the bolts to the fender. I'm pretty sure I got another bag somewhere else. I'm not sure what those go to. I should have did better documenting all the removal. Some of those washers could just be something that somebody temporarily did to fix it up, to hike them up, but it could be factory at the same time. Let me see if I can find another fender bag real quick. There go the other fender bag. So we'll throw that one on the ground to keep them separate. That's what we're working with right there. Ain't no telling where these went. Honesty. As you see, it is a thin one in there. There's one thin one, all the other ones like they're about the same size. Boy, I wish I knew where these went. I really do. So I'm sticking to my guns on this one right here. We're not gonna have AC in it. The first setup of this car probably won't have AC. either way, right now I got to keep on moving forward. The motor is most important, so I'm gonna focus on the motor. Man, I've been at this car for a while. I wish I could tell you that it's easy, but anytime you're restoring a car or repairing a car, working on a car, a lot of things can happen. Um, and I don't have the money, no sponsorship to just go and buy everything in one time. This stuff is very expensive. Forget where all your favorite YouTubers is telling you and people that got sponsorships, they're showing you this, they're showing you that, but they're not showing you the behind the scenes. I'm showing the real first restoration, behind the scenes, no experience, you know what I mean? And only a few gonna really appreciate this, but I'm still gonna drop the content and I'm gonna show the journey. So y'all just stay tuned. We still got a big question mark about the AC. How we gonna handle that? I really just don't want to drop out and spend $1,500 on vintage air all at one time. But the vintage air is hard to beat the way they have it already set up. Uh, Tomorrow I'll probably be picking up the bolts for this for the brake calipers, and maybe Sunday I'll be picking up the brake lines, something like that. And sometime next week, hopefully we have everything installed. And I need to go ahead and get that wire harness from my dude. I need to do that this month. So y'all just stay tuned, man. And appreciate y'all, man. I'm hoping y'all gonna like, share, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend. Until then, I'm gonna get back with y'all. You like it?
Yeah.
Man, it's a done deal, man. Cash in hand. He got him a good deal. You like it? A good deal. Is that right?
Right.
There we go, man. Y'all see it. It's a done deal. Y'all missed out. Maybe next time.